Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will cover one more topic of Oracle Apex. Today we will covering progressive web apps. So first I'll tell you what a progressive web app is and why we are covering this in today's tutorial. So coming to let us first understand what progressive web app is, also known as PWA. So it is a type of application software delivered through the web, built using common web technologies including HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and WebAssembly. Okay, but it is intended to work on any platform, including your desktop and mobile devices. So, if our Apex application is a PW app, we'll be able to install it on our desktop and mobile devices. But there are two important features for any application to be PWA, so that we can install it on our desktop and mobile phones. Is it should, like, the URL for the application should start with HTTPS, and and the URL should be a friendly URL. So what do you mean by a friendly URL? So friendly URL is basically an URL which is easier to read, and the URL, if you see the URL, I'll show you once we create an application like that. If you see the directory of that URL, if you see the URL, it's like a directory structure, okay, which will have page aliases and other standard web parameters, okay. So in Apex, we can create PWA apps at two places. One is while creating a new application, we can specify that this application need to be PWA, that is we should be able to install it, and once we enable that feature, once we run an application on web, we'll get a we'll get a button, or you can say an icon, um, which will let you to install it on your mobile phone or the desktop. The second is if you have an already built an app and you want to enable PWA feature on it, I'll show you that also. So we'll be covering both these scenarios in today's tutorial. So let's start. Let's create a new application. Let's create a dummy application. Choose new application. Give it a name. My installable app. Let's change the appearance. Make it redwood light theme. Keep it safe. Now come to this is the features wherein we enable this checkbox, install progressive web apps. You can add other features also. For now, let's check all. Okay. So we have added and enabled the install progressive web app feature. Now let us create the application. So our application is created. Let's run the application and let's see whether we have the installation feature enabled. Okay, what is the password? Yeah, so this is our app. Okay, so it has the navigation menu, and now here if you see, you have an option to install app. Let us install the app. So see, now we have installed the app and the window of it has opened. Now let me close this and show you on the desktop. So if you see an icon for your app is created, you can double click on it and run it. So the desktop version, so it will ask you for the password, and your application will be opening on the desktop. So now this is how you specify while creating an application to be PWA. Now come, let us go to another application which we have built and used in our previous videos. So this is the employee dashboard. Okay, so let us run this application also. So see, this is our application. Okay, it has different pages, but we don't have that installable uh, feature here. So for that, you just need to go to application and go to shared components. Once you go to the shared components, you have in the user interface, go to progressive web app. So now just enable this feature, installable. You can specify the display and the orientation options. If it is fine for you, you can just click on apply. Now let us run it again. And now if you see, we have the install app feature. And what I was telling you about the this one, the friendly URL. So if you see the URL, it start with HTTPS. It tells you it's an Apex application, and then it tells you about the workspace, your application name, then your page on which page you are on, and then the session ID. So this is what a friendly URL looks like. Now we have installed, didn't we? Okay, let us install our application. Yeah, and now we have our employer dashboard on our desktop. Hope you would have liked this video and you would have found this video knowledgeable. So I'll request you to please like the page, comment in the comment section, and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Bye.